Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. My name is Joy Kioko. If you have visited Athiani FM before, then we have most probably interacted. I joined Athiani in the year 2019, and I remember prior to joining Athiani FM, I had applied for this particular job in 2017. But at that time, I did not get an opportunity. So I was later called for an interview in 2019, and that's when I got the job and I started working here at Athiani. I've shared that bit just to encourage any young person outside there who is looking for a job. Do not tire, do not give up. I mean, just keep going, keep applying. Eventually, your job will find you and you will get the opportunity that suits you. The reason as to why I'm still working in Athiani since 2019 is because I started listening to Athiani FM as a very young girl back in 2013. I think that is around the time I had just joined university. And so when an opportunity presented itself for me to be part of this organization, I quickly jumped into it because I knew I would be interacting with people who I had been growing up listening to on media. Nililikana 2013 toimusie toe ushago nethukiasya tina aitangaasa madhiko Athiani FM. So I remember how I would hear Tina on radio and Mercy as well. So joining this organization, and I mean working with people who I have listened to and just being part of them, has been a great opportunity for me. Moving forward as Athiani family, we promise our clients that the services they will be receiving from Athiani FM will be geared towards meeting and surpassing their expectations from us. As Athiani celebrates 10 years since it started being in operation, I would just like to say it's been such a great honor and a great privilege being part of such a reputable organization. We thank God for this far that He has brought Athiani FM, and we cannot wait to celebrate even bigger and better milestones as a company. Thank you.